Here's a hard truth. Even if you've just renovated your kitchen, it could already be outdated. Now, the kitchen is the heart of your home and one of the most expensive rooms to redesign. But what if the trends you're following won't add the value you expect when it's time to sell? I'm breaking down the newest kitchen trends for 2025 that will not only make your space stand out, but also protect your investment for the future. Following the right trends can ensure your investment pays off when it's time to sell. So let's dive into the hottest and smartest kitchen trends for 2025 that will elevate your space while maximizing its future value. We are going way deeper than just paint colors like my dreaded millennial gray monochrome kitchen that can quickly and very inexpensively be fixed and updated. We are talking about the more expensive elements like mixed materials and multifunction islands, that these trends that are designed to meet modern lifestyle needs and create a lasting impact when it comes to selling. So when it comes to resale, kitchens with mixed materials are far more appealing to buyers. So mixed materials like stone and wood and natural elements, layering these textures adds a lot of warmth and personality to the space, and it makes your kitchen stand out when it comes to listings and showings. Buyers are moving away from that sterile all-white kitchen look, or all gray in my case. So if your kitchen feels dated, adding mixed materials, that warmth of wood, that sparkling color of stone and steel can really give you an edge in the market and give your space a lot more pizzazz. So let's talk about sustainable materials. Now, eco-friendly kitchens are becoming a very big selling point, and buyers are starting to look for homes with more sustainable and durable materials like reclaimed wood and recycled stone. So incorporating these elements in your renovation will not only help the planet, but it can also help make your property more attractive to that eco-conscious buyer. Single-use and short-lived materials aren't going to stand the test of time. Think of that cheap particle board, and savvy buyers are aware of that. So choosing sustainable, those long-lasting materials can really raise the perceived value of your home and help you out when it comes time to sell. Now, a well-designed kitchen island can also increase your home's appeal, and especially for buyers who prioritize entertaining or family-friendly spaces. Think of kitchens with that multifunction island, whether it's for cooking or working or even socializing. They really stand out when it comes to listing photos or even on open houses. Simple islands might just not do it for today's buyers. So adding functionality like built-in storage or appliances, sometimes you can have a sink in the island, that will significantly enhance buyer interest and make that piece of furniture even more functional for you in the here and now. Another thing we're seeing is statement range hoods. So a striking range hood can really elevate that entire kitchen and add a wow factor that buyers are looking for. It really takes it up a notch from builder grade. And if you're thinking about selling, upgrading to a bold or custom range hood can give your kitchen that high-end look that's really attracting attention right now. Those invisible hoods or plain hidden range hoods might make your kitchen feel a bit too basic for today's buyers, and it could turn off potential buyers who are expecting a little more style from a modern renovation. So something to think about as you're making your plans for your renovation in 2025. Another thing we're seeing is single stone slab backsplashes, and this trend is giving that luxurious high-end feel to your kitchens that buyers associate with a custom home. That stone slab backsplash will not only be a unique feature in your home, but it could also become the talking point for buyers and viewings, and it might help you stand out in a competitive market. Now, subway tiles are like the little black dress of kitchen tiles. While they're always a safe choice and they're always going to be a popular choice, they are becoming a bit predictable. Buyers are starting to prefer and look for the sophistication of a full stone slab or a unique tile, which will give the home a modern and a little more premium elevated touch, not that builder basic white rectangular tile that we see everywhere. Another thing we're starting to see is modular shelving. So flexibility is really important for today's homeowners, and that modular shelving offers that in spades. Potential buyers are really attracted to kitchens that can adapt to their very specific lifestyle, and that modular shelving idea is practical and attractive, and it can showcase that versatility. Traditional open shelving is definitely on its way out. It's less practical and it can easily and quickly feel very cluttered in a kitchen. That modern modular shelving can add the visual interest that buyers are looking for while offering practical storage that can be closed away and something that buyers can really see themselves using in the long term. Another thing we want to think about is dramatic lighting in your kitchen. It can completely transform how the kitchen looks, feels, and buyers are really paying attention to that. So think bold, dramatic lighting fixtures where you can, something that's going to draw the eye and really create a warm and interesting ambiance. It could really make or break that emotional connection that a potential buyer might have to your home. Now, basic lighting, whether it's pot lights or just over the island lighting, it's functional, but it could be a bit bland and can even make a really special kitchen renovation feel a little underwhelming. So upgrading those fixtures can make a huge difference on how the buyer is going to perceive your space. And it might even change how you enjoy your space while you own the house, even if you're not thinking of selling. So now that you know what's trending in kitchens for 2025, let's talk about how to avoid some common renovation mistakes. Kitchens can make or break your home's appeal, and not all updates are a good investment. Head over to my video on the 5 biggest renovations buyers regret after moving in. This video will definitely help you make some smart choices so that your kitchen works for you now and will boost your home's value in the future.